discount code JacobViral when you shop.
I'll let him take a picture of the sticker too.
Yeah. So what's your name? What's in here, man? Go ahead.
My name is Chris Brown. The box is built by Bobby Hill. I bought this sub, which is a Harmony Audio 18 from Steve Alexander. Sorry for the loud fan.
Alright, it keeps it cool.
Yeah. This was threw together, what, a week and a half ago. So I don't know what I'm pushing right now.
Okay.
It's got an M3b digital design that I've had for 12 years myself. My buddy that I bought it from, Sonny Barrett, had it for about 4 or 5.
Alright.
Is that sub?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
He was hitting it.
Hell yeah.
That's
I didn't even smell it. I was like, oh.
That's probably the lowest I've let it hit today.
How low was that?
That was, well, my voltage dropped pretty badly.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't revving it up.
Okay.
But this is 26 hertz, I believe.
Okay. Can I see the box on the back?
So the box builder is Carport Creations Audio.
All right.
Got a 6-cell lithium-ion battery. Like I said, a Harmony 18.
Yep.
The box was built by Bobby Hill.
All right.
And this amp is ages old.
Still working though?
Oh yeah.
Is that one?
Yep.
Do you know the tuning or the size roughly?
Bobby told me it was 28 to 30s.
Oh, that works good to keep it cool.
Yeah. I just put that in there too.
There work. And you keep your box mounted down.
Yeah.
Sweet. Have you tried doing box placement or just threw it in?
This is the first really show that I went to. I threw it in there. I did have it scooted further back and it did hit harder, but I was covering this bolt right here and I had a blowout.
You need a tire.
I did it, yep. So I unbolted it, scooted it back, and that's where she's been sitting.
All right.
Autotech Engineering 370 amp alternator.
What vehicle?
2000 Toyota Sienna.
Okay.
XLE.
XLE, all right. I forget to ask about the vehicle sometimes. I'm still learning.
This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a high-quality component speaker system set to show you. The X series from NVX, two-way, 6.5-inch size with a power handling of 600 watts peak power or 300 watts RMS per set. Lightweight carbon fiber cone material and rubber speaker surround. The woofer speaker has a ferrite magnet motor structure with a frequency response between 42 Hz and 21,000 Hz. The dome tweeters have a neo magnet, and this is actually called the XQ S65 kit.
I'm gonna play You and Me, Me-Yelawolf at 26 to 58 hertz.
All right.
Sit back and relax, relax. You're about to get mystified.
She got warm.
Yeah. And you already gave a demo earlier, so nice to meet you,
Yeah,
man.
nice to meet you too.
Appreciate the demo.